May the peace, mercy, and blessing of God be with you. Hi, and welcome back to Tech In, and I'm Lukman with you. In this video, we cover the most common ways to resolve a non-functioning laptop touchpad. Let's get started. The first thing to check is whether the laptop touchpad disabled or locked with the function. In your laptop keyboard, there will be a function key. So press the function key plus F5 or F7. This one is common keys, F5 or F7, or else depends upon your laptop model. So look around the F1 to F12. There will be a symbol like this picture. You can disable or enable the touchpad. If your laptop has this feature, press the button. The next thing is some USB input devices automatically disable the touchpad when connected. As a troubleshooting step, turn off the computer, disconnect all external devices which are connected with your laptop. Then start the computer again to ensure one of them has not turned off the touchpad. If the touchpad still not working, the Windows Device Manager can tell you detailed information about hardware issues and help you update the drivers. Go to your desktop, there will be this PC or my computer. Right click the icon and go to properties. You can get the left side called Device Manager. Open the Device Manager, and then next to the keyboard, mice and pointing devices. If there is exclamation mark, that is hardware or software issue. To locate the touchpad in Device Manager and follow these steps. Locate your touchpad and right click the icon and select update driver software. Click search automatically for updated the driver software. If it is not working, right click your touchpad driver and uninstall completely. Once it completely uninstalled, go to the browser and download right driver. Depends upon your model. In my case, Lenovo, so I'm going to Lenovo support website. Download the touchpad driver only, and file size will 20 or 30 MB only. You can get easily. Once it downloaded, double click the exe and run the software. It will take time, 1 or 2 minutes only. Once it completely installed, you can see the device manager, that particular touchpad driver are installed properly. Once it completed the installation process, you should restart, then your touchpad will work. Even though you follow all these steps, but still your touchpad is not working, so I recommended to taking the laptop to a computer repair shop for further analysis. I hope this video will help you to fix the laptop touchpad not working the situation. If you like this video, press the subscribe button and make sure press the notification bell also. You can get our latest updates. Once again, I thank you to all and Assalamu alaikum.